My name is Francis Omoniyi. I work for GEA West Africa. I'm going to be giving us a short presentation on GEA capability this afternoon. Can you please get my slide on my presentation? Can you please beam that? Like I said, GEA, we are a German company with head office in Düsseldorf, Germany. GEA has been existing since 1881. A very long history in manufacturing. And the office in Lagos was opened in 2013, responsible for business in West and Central Africa. As of today, GEA, we have 24 countries within West and Central that we are responsible for from Lagos. And I'm delighted to also inform you that our setup in Nigeria is such that we're able to provide both project management support and also technical support for all our customers. And at the same time, we provide robust after-sales service support. For us, this is really the advantage that from GEA point of view, we are very close, really closer to our customer. We have technical teams that are based in Lagos, across West and Central Africa, that are trained, well-trained within our site in Germany, and they are providing technical support for all our customers across West and Central Africa. For us, this is also a cost advantage. So today, I'm going to be, quickly, let me just share with us about GEA. GEA is a very big company, like I said, since 1881. You can look at our 2021 performance. When you look at that, you see that we were like 5 billion euro in terms of total turnover and sales. And one of the advantages that this provides for us is that we are capable of providing technical solutions and also support all our customers to grow competitively and to grow profitably. Our application, can you change the slide? I need to be a little bit fast. Today, I'm talking specifically about pharma, but when you look at GEA in terms of technology portfolio, we are quite big. We are into foods. We are into foods. We are into dairy processing. We are into beverage and breweries. Pharma happens to be one of our divisions. Chemical and environment. Also, we're into heating, refrigeration, and technology. And all this is inclusive of sustainability. You can change the slides. In Lagos, if you look at this, I've talked about this. This is our regional coverage. You can change that slide. And these are the few top gentlemen and ladies. I just show some level of whom we are. There are quite a lot below that we have. You can change. How do we operate? This is very important to all our customers. From GA point of view, we do sales engineering. That is when we scope your ideas. Then this idea is really translated to real project in terms of design and the core engineering that will give you the confidence and comfort, or where we prove the concept of what you intend to do. And this is manufactured. GEA, we have 67 manufacturing sites globally, both within Europe, Asia, North and South America. Then supply chain is about getting this shipped to you. Then we manage your project with you, get you to start up, get your plant ramp up. Then we provide a service that gives you the confidence to keep running your lines and keep running efficiently and profitably. You can change the slide. Looking at Pharma specifically today, and this is the trajectory of pharma market globally, about $1.27 trillion US dollar, very huge. And in Nigeria, we've not really scratched the surface. The whole of Nigeria were like less than 1% of this market in Nigeria, despite our population of over 200 million. So there's a huge amount of work that we need to do as Nigerians to develop our capability in actually manufacturing or producing sufficient medicine for our teeming population. Next slide, just to look at Nigerian pharma space. Basically, Nigerian pharma space is predominantly OTC, almost 90%, if not 95%, just on the counter, drugs, which are more like oral and little fluid. But as it were, the market is still growing at almost 9.1 compounded annual growth rate. That will lead us up to 2035. Government is taking a lot of steps, or is taking a lot of steps to, to combat anti-counterfeiting. I'm not mentioning them. I know there are some big pharma manufacturers in Nigeria that are really struggling or getting things done in terms of in terms of vaccine. And that will be the focus of my conversation this afternoon. How can GEA support a manufacturer to, be able to produce our vaccine requirement locally? And Nigerians were big enough to be able to actually produce and support and supply the entire Africa. Then now it becomes expedient looking at the event about COVID-19 and the kind of disruption that we have to supply chain. Today, we are talking about vaccine inequality. If we in Nigeria were able to provide that space or have the technology to produce a vaccine, then that would have been, Nigeria was supposed to be a hub where we ship vaccine to other African countries. Now, I was in a conference like about 4 years ago or 5 years, and one of the topics was that vaccine is going to become, in the future, is going to become a big political topic. And within 4 years, it's almost happening today. We are struggling. A country of 200 million people, we are struggling. I'm not sure today in Nigeria we have done, I'm not sure we have done like up to 3 or 5% of our population in terms of vaccination. We don't really have it. So one of the issues really is that this should actually speak to us from to take a new step in terms of how, as a country, how do we really become vaccine dependent? These are real topics that we need to address as a nation as we grow. Next slide. So for us as GEA, why do we need you? So we need each other from hardware point of view. Our speed to market is very vital. We're very close to you. We can scope your project together quickly. We can also respond from project management point of view to your demand in a quicker manner. And also, we're able to go along with you to manage the project complexity. So, let me now look at GEA from Pharma point of view. Yes, can you please change the slide? Next, I'm really moving faster. Oh my gosh. If you look at this, GEA from Pharma point of view is, we are like about 300 million euros in terms of turnover, and therefore we are strong to provide technical support. Our solution for solid dosage, which I know in Nigeria today, about 95% of our capability is for solid dosage. If you need to ramp up your factory, you need to expand your factory, we can provide solutions. Can you please run quickly? Just go, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, okay, stop there. From solid dosage production, GEA, we can provide for you, or we can drive all your endeavors in terms of providing the cutting-edge equipment that will make you to run efficiently. API is quite expensive. So, you need the right technology to cut waste, and you need the right technology that will give you the edge in the market space. Go ahead. In drying, we have the best, drying technology. Our flue bed dryer is very robust and very easy to maintain. And if you need more production capability from, less space, then you talk to us as in GEA. Can you please move on? Let me just, let me spend the last 3 minutes on vaccine. Yeah. Go ahead. Okay, biopharma. Now, this is for me part of the, very, very important in terms of we need to develop our biopharma capability in Nigeria. From GEA point of view, we are very strong in providing technical solution, robust solution that will give you the right leverage in vaccine manufacturing, in lympholyzers. And one of the things that is also that we need to know here is from GEA, we can provide just one-stop solution. We have capability for homogenizer, we have capability for centrifuge, we have capability for drying and fillers. And this precisely will help you to manage your project accordingly. Next, just go to the second to the last slide for me. Let me quickly talk about why do you need us? No, why do you need us? Okay, this is very important. If you need a world-class manufacturing that complies with good manufacturing practice, you need to talk to GEA. If you need a factory that has capability for traceability, which is very important in quality management, talk to GEA. If you need to build a factory from scratch and you need support for pre-qualification that will give you the edge to be able to distribute your product globally, talk to GEA. Working with GEA is more like an automatic qualification for you because your factory will be built from our experience globally. Then if you want to access our technology from Germany, talk to GEA. We can also support you in terms of arranging for finances to back your project as long as your business case is bankable. We'll be ready to support you. Who should you talk to? The last slide. Please, the last slide. This is Francis. And Etienne is not here with me today, but he is responsible as the sales manager for our food health technology. I'm sure that we have a booth outside, a small table like a booth. You can go there, pick up our brochures, pick up our card. We're ready for business. I'm ready to visit you in your factory. I'm ready to sit with you to discuss project, and we are ready to help you through the life cycle of that project. Thank you very much for listening.